ClickUp has become a popular choice for project management, but it's not the only option available. Many other tools offer comparable features and functionalities, catering to diverse needs and preferences. This video article will explore some of ClickUp's main competitors, highlighting their strengths and weaknesses. Understanding the project management landscape. The project management software market offers a wide array of tools, each with its unique approach. While ClickUp aims to be an all-in-one solution, others excel in specific areas, such as task management, workflow visualization, or team collaboration. Key ClickUp competitors. Here are some of the top ClickUp alternatives. Monday.com, known for its highly visual and customizable interface, offers a wide range of templates and automation capabilities. Strong in workflow management and team collaboration. May be more expensive than ClickUp for larger teams. Sana focuses on task management and team communication. Provides a clean and intuitive user experience. Offers various project views, including lists, boards, and timelines. Suitable for teams of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises. Trello, a simple and user-friendly Kanban board tool. Ideal for visual task management and agile workflows. Offers a free plan with generous features. May lack some of the advanced features found in ClickUp. Right? A robust platform for enterprise-level project management. Offers advanced features like Gantt charts, resource management, and time tracking. Highly customizable to fit complex workflows. Can be more complex to learn and use than ClickUp. Notion, a versatile tool that combines note-taking, database management, and project management. Highly customizable and flexible, allowing users to create tailored workflows. Strong for knowledge management and documentation. May not be as specialized for project management as ClickUp. Jira, a popular choice for software development teams. Offers agile project management features such as Scrum and Kanban boards. Integrates with other Atlassian products like Confluence and Bitbucket. Can be complex for non-technical teams. Comparison factors. When evaluating ClickUp alternatives, consider these factors. Features. Does the tool offer the specific features you need, such as task management, Gantt charts, time tracking, or automation? Usability. How easy is the tool to learn and use? Does it have an intuitive interface? Customization. Can you customize the tool to fit your specific workflows and needs? Integrations. Does the tool integrate with other tools you use, such as Slack, Google Calendar, or Zapier? Pricing. How does the tool's pricing compare to ClickUp's? Does it offer a free plan or trial? Team size. Is the tool suitable for your team size and structure? Industry. Is the tool commonly used in your industry or for your specific use case? Choosing the right tool. ClickUp is a powerful and versatile project management tool, but it's not the only option. Depending on your specific needs, budget, and preferences, other tools may be a better fit. By carefully evaluating the features, usability, and pricing of different ClickUp alternatives, you can make an informed decision and choose the tool that will best empower your team to achieve its goals.